At Soul Spa, we believe in the power of your soul. We're here to guide you on a transformative journey where you can reconnect with your innermost self and experience true peace and fulfillment. Just imagine gazing up at the stars on a clear night, feeling a sense of profound wonder. Imagine the soft touch of the ocean breeze, reminding you of the beauty that surrounds you. Moments like these are the inspiration of Soul Spa. Soul Spa is all about nurturing your soul's deepest cravings, creating a comforting sense of belonging like the embrace of a loved one. It's grounding yourself in the present moment, like the feeling of cool grass beneath your feet on a perfect summer evening. It's unwinding and letting the raindrops of life soothe you in any season of your life. Soul Spa offers a range of transformative retreats and programs designed to uplift and empower you. Live your life on purpose. Experience the power of visualization and turn your daydreams into reality. Learn how to use longevity and neuroplasticity to reward your brain and unlock your true potential. Join us and unlock the boundless potential within you. Soul Spa, where your soul finds its sanctuary.